car transmission system. How does it work? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of car transmissions. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for updates on educational videos like this. Have you ever wondered what's going on underneath your hood when you shift gears? How does your car smoothly accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour? You're in the right place, because in this video, we're breaking down the entire car transmission system. First, let's talk about the purpose of car transmissions. Put simply, a car transmission system transfers the power from your engine to the wheels. But why do we need multiple gears? Well, each gear has different ratios that change the amount of torque applied to the wheels. There are two main types of transmissions, manual and automatic. In a manual transmission, the driver is responsible for shifting gears using a stick shift and the clutch pedal. By manually shifting gears, the driver can optimize engine performance, adjust for different driving conditions, and have greater control over the vehicle's speed and power output. However, it requires coordination between the clutch pedal, gearshift lever, and throttle to execute smooth gear changes. On the other hand, automatic transmissions do the shifting for you. They use hydraulic pressure and electronic controls to shift gears instead of a clutch pedal. Now let's take a closer look at how the gears work. Your transmission has multiple gears that are different sizes to change the torque being applied to the wheels. When you shift gears, the synchro ring helps slow down or speed up the appropriate gear to the same speed as the next gear. This helps prevent grinding and ensures the gear teeth can easily mesh. But how does the transmission know which gear to shift into? Automatic transmissions use a complex system of sensors to determine which gear is appropriate based on factors like speed and throttle position. Manual transmissions, on the other hand, rely on the driver's judgment and input. In summary, a car transmission is a crucial component that transfers power from your engine to the wheels. There are two main types of transmissions, manual and automatic. The gears in your transmission determine the torque applied to the wheels, and the system uses a complex series of synchro rings and sensors to ensure smooth gear changes. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this information valuable, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting automotive content. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep on driving.